your personal AI tutor that adapts to how you learn. Next, click on Features to explore the comprehensive tools Cognify offers. Next up, click the FAQ link to explore common questions and answers. Now, click on the first FAQ question to expand and view the detailed answer. Now, click the drop-down arrow to expand and view the answer to this question. Then, click the drop-down arrow to expand the answer and view detailed information. Next up, click the Learning Hub link to explore educational resources and tutorials. Then, enter a subject name like quantum physics to add a new learning subject. Following this, click the plus button to add a new subject to your Learning Hub. Next up, click the Blockchain Technologies card to explore all 69 topics available. Now click the Back to Subjects button to return to the subjects list. Next up, click the Upload Syllabus Image button to automatically generate topics. Next, click the flashcard to review the blockchain definition and understand its distributed systems perspective. Next, click the Known button to mark this flashcard as successfully learned. Next up, click the right arrow button to navigate to the next flashcard. Following that, click the left arrow to view the previous flashcard in the set. Next, click the Known button to mark this flashcard as mastered. Afterwards, view the flashcard question about blockchain immutability and click to reveal the answer. Now click the Needs Review button to mark this flashcard for further study. Next, click the Known button to mark this flashcard as mastered. Afterwards, click the Known 16 button to filter and review flashcards you have already mastered. Afterwards, click the Review 1 button to view flashcards that need revision. Afterwards, click Clear Flashcards to reset all flashcard progress and start fresh. After that, click the Save Content button to preserve your learning materials. Then, click the Key Takeaways section to review the main points of the lesson. Following that, click the Save Content button to preserve your revision summary. Following that, click the Anecdotes and Hacks button to explore relevant stories and useful tips. Next, click the Save Content button to store your generated learning materials. Next, click the PDF Analysis tab to view document processing and analysis tools. After that, click the Add PDF button to upload course materials and learning resources. From here, click the Audio Analysis tab to access audio content insights. After that, click the View button to examine the audio analysis details and summary. What it solves. Traditional education is one size fits all. Students struggle with generic textbooks, get overwhelmed by information, and receive zero personalized feedback. Whether you're in school, college, or learning professionally, you're stuck with content that doesn't match your level or learning style. What Cognify does: upload any study material, PDFs, audio recordings, or just type a topic. Our AI instantly creates personalized content tailored to your academic level, generates adaptive quizzes, creates flashcards, and provides detailed feedback on your performance. Why we built it. Every learner is unique, but education systems treat everyone the same. We wanted to democratize personalized tutoring so anyone can have an AI mentor that understands their specific needs and learning pace. What makes it unique? Adaptive intelligence. Content automatically adjusts to school, college, or professional level. Multimodal learning. Transforms PDFs, audio, and text into interactive study materials. Intelligent assessment. Quizzes that adapt difficulty based on your performance. Complete privacy. Everything processes locally. Your data never leaves your device. Comprehensive hub. Organize subjects, track progress, and build knowledge systematically. How it works. Create profile, upload materials, get personalized content, take adaptive quizzes, track progress perfect for students at any level, exam prep, professionals upskilling, and lifelong learners who want education that actually fits them. From generic textbooks to personalized AI tutoring, education that adapts to you. Experience adaptive learning at https://cognifyhub.netlify.app.